National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for Grayson County in north central Texas until 5:15 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Sherman, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, weather spotters reported funnel cloud east of the Sherman Airport. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near at around 5 p.m. Gunnison and Dyson Hollow State Park around 5:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Laurel and South Maid. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central McLean County in central Oklahoma, northern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, western Carter County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, western Garvin County in southern Oklahoma until 5:30 p.m. At 4:43 p.m. Along the line extending from near Bradley to 4 miles southeast of Hastings, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and southbound hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Loco, Red Oak City, Abington, and Antioch. This includes Interstate 35 near mile marker 83. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Collin County in north central Texas, eastern Denton County in north central Texas until 5:45 p.m. At 4:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Prosper or near Frisco, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. This severe thunderstorm will be near McKinney and Helline around 4:50 p.m. and in Van Alstyne around 5:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Lakewood Village, New Hope, Lincoln Park, Blue Ridge, Melissa, Oak Point, Weston, and Westminster. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north central Texas.